Good day, investors. This is Vopnucity Ocean View Estate. This pretty calm water view estate is located in Moshimi Kongo Villa, behind the Eko-Akete Lekki Peninsula, Lagos, Nigeria. This estate is the meeting point for work and play for the creative and design community by combining business, retail, residential, and visitors attractions. This is a buy and build estate with good road network planned to feature luxurious living with world-class amenity. This estate has governor's consent as title, and we're selling for 8.5 million naira for 600 square meters.